is the only video you need to watch for attending MOA Arena concert. Actually, MOA Arena sa mga favorite kong concert venue. Kasi yung stage feels closer. Even na dyan at ka, hindi masyadong malayo tignan yung mga artists. It's commute friendly. MRT, jeep, daming ways para makapunta. So let's talk about naman yung mga tips and tricks na need mo malaman. It's a prohibited item list. Before ka mag-prepare ng concert bag, kahit anumang gusto mong bilhin sa concert, check mo muna yung mga bawal dalhin para hindi ka maharang sa labas. Here's the usual prohibited items. Number 2, bring the essentials. Make sure na pasok yung bag mo sa bag size requirement. Usually, 12 by 12 yung rules, pero mas okay pa rin i-check mo kung ano yung usual rules sa concert na pupuntahan mo. Next is bring power bank. Personally, ito yung favorite kong power bank kasi pang matagalan siya and kaya niyang i-full charge yung dalawang phones na dala ko. Lastly, this is so underrated. Don't forget your light stick batteries. Recommendation ko dyan, huwag mo muna ikakabit yung battery habang nasa bahay ka pa. Ilagay mo lang siya pag malapit na yung concert or pag nasa concert venue ka na. And one of the most recommended battery ng K-pop fan, yung sa Daiso and sa Miniso na colorful one. So save this video, ready ka na sa MOA concert mo, and comment below if you need a part 2.